No, I just learned different specific words.
There's the rest of the Bombardier T1s over there, parked.
Yeah, well, they can't do that. But the father was just literally open the back door and let his kid do it too.
Oh, yeah.
So why do doesn't even go there?
I could technically film our conductors. We have a car with them. I'm not going. Conductor, we have a problem. 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 Yes.
Yeah, no, I see it.
I'm for 11 years old.
Princess Dress. Cinderella? Oh, wait. I know, I don't know them anymore. Oh, wonderful.
Attention all line A passengers. This train only boarded fanboys because wide on. That's all you can it's a service that everyone get on. No transfer provided. I hate everyone on it. I wish they all died. Probably not something to say good, but whatever, I don't care. This is cool that you know.
Oh, careful, baby. There's a baby there, right? She's little. You don't want to run her over. Come here.
That was the funniest announcement I ever did. This is my once in a lifetime being in here.
Okay, girls, this way. We're gonna go this way. All the way to the back, please. Seeming very similar to what we do.
That was crazy.
All the way around.
Yeah,
Oh, ännu dessa stycken. Ingen kundringa.
Oh, it's fine. Oh, shit. Wait, huh? Oh, what's that? What?
Oh.
Okay, well, that one was already broken.
That was the funniest announcement. You will never move.
I've been touching that one, I promise. Okay. Wait, there's key stuff happening. I don't know what's going on.
I mean, I can see inga vaga.
Well, it is going into
Right here.
Well, here we are. Please.
Ingen vill ha på kollega. Hold on.
I didn't do this, by the way. That's what I was just saying. Like, just,
it's also yeah, I'm just not gonna move. Yeah, I'm here, so if you guys want to go.
I know. Can you guys get off? I'm here to under this.
Excuse me, please.
Daddy did.